Hello, and welcome to an introduction to SmartFactory, digital manufacturing solutions for NetSuite. In this video, we'll introduce you to SmartFactory Quality and Compliance. SmartFactory Quality and Compliance allows you to build inspections, whether for process control, product compliance, inspections related to production, related to non-transactional activities such as safety and environmental. The manager allows you to designate what triggers those quality inspections. Administration allows you to set up which work centers, what assembly items, when inspected, require compliance oversight and release. Sets the table for auditing based on its ability to not only generate an e-signature, but also create history records in immutable records that will allow you to meet your regulatory audit requirements. Let's go take a look. Inside the shop floor work summary, we can see 953 is already in progress. Let's check our reporting details to see what's transpired. At this stage, we've reported our lot-controlled materials, the labor, and we've reported one batch of 200 pounds. All that's left to do are our in-process inspections. For brevity in this video, we'll focus on batch compliance. Quality inspections in SmartFactory can be presented in one of two ways. The first, not shown, is a one-page summation style reporting tool in which all properties are represented. What we're showing in this video is the alternative where properties are reported individually, so during a shift the operator has the opportunity to take a look at the historical values for each of the properties that have been captured over the previous 12 hours. Properties can introduce reference material, documentation, SOPs, whatever is needed to help that operator or inspector be successful. This third check is a Boolean. The instructions tell me if it looks good, leave the box checked, uncheck if not passing. My summary box shows me what I've recorded, indicates that this inspection have passed, and allows me to sign off on this inspection. I can add comments if need be. You'll notice my signature block was affixed in the lower right corner. Returns me to my inspection queue, and I bounce back to shop floor. I'll save this product run and sync the data with NetSuite. Since we follow the results of the product run when synced with NetSuite in another video, we'll go immediately into compliance. And as the compliance officer, my compliance queue shows me that work order 953, which we just completed, has one impending compliance check for QC release. Shows me the data that was reported against that, and as I start my compliance check, it steps me through the compliance elements I'm responsible to review. For this work center and this assembly item, I'm required to check the product run overview, review all the inspections that are captured, and I could see the results that were recorded. I could see the history record of every keystroke to support any audit requirements. I can leave notes. I have a guide to step me through any questions I may have as the reviewer. For consumption, I can look at the detail of any of the items that I issued as components, being satisfied with those entries, again, pass the inspection. And finally, I'm looking at recording production. Everything looks correct for what should happen at Operation 10. I can pass, and I get a compliance summary for these operations. You could see as part of the setup, I'm not required to do a compliance check for waste, downtime, or labor. And again, sign off that I have released this batch. Returns me to my queue, and as the compliance officer, I can continue to work through whatever is pending my review. We'll take a look at the inspection builder, the inspection manager, and the administration app, which sets the table for compliance checks, in another video. Thank you for watching today's video on quality and compliance execution process. For more about SmartFactory, please visit smartfactory.com or review the other videos in this series.